Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitches. Turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got.
Hey, welcome to Breast Tech Action. It's your girl Slade here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing some easy and affordable fandom hobbies that you can start today. So number one on the list I have is tennis. Tennis is a good, fun, athletic sport, and what's good about it is tennis courts are free to go to. So all you really need is a racket and your tennis balls. Number two is reading. Reading is so easy to get into. There's so many different genres to choose from, such as like fantasy, romance, thriller. And a good way to find book recommendations is Goodreads, the website, TikTok, and YouTube. There's so many people on those sites sharing what type of books they like and if it's good or not. Number three is writing. There's nothing easier than picking up a pen and paper and just writing from the heart. It could just start off as you like just writing about your day, and then maybe turn into like you writing a really short creative story. Number four is crocheting. All you need to start this hobby is some yarn and a crochet needle. You can look up beginner tutorials on YouTube and start from there. And then as you keep progressing, you can start making things like scarves, socks, hats, and dresses. It's endless. You can do anything with crocheting. Number five is baking. Baking can be really fun, especially since at the end, you got a delicious treat. And to begin, you don't even have to start from scratch. You can just get a box cake or box cupcakes from the store and start from there. And then just be really creative with how you decorate your cakes. And that can be like the most fun part right there. Number six is candle making. They have candle kits with everything that you need, from the waxes, the wicks, the scents, everything that you need on Amazon, y'all. And the prices is between like $20 to like $60. I even linked some in my description box for you below if you need help finding some. So that's all the hobby ideas that I have for you today. And if you can think of any more hobbies that you can start today with a low budget, please put them in the comment section below. And I'll catch you next Wednesday. Bye, guys.